Hello everybody, just a quick video to show what I've been doing this week. It's been a really good week after weeks of fitting the planking, cutting gun ports, so it's nice this week to start adding some detail. I did all the keel, as you can see from the pictures obviously, adding the gallery. It was a little bit tricky, it's only 1.5mm thick ply. So I'll see, you have to be really careful that it didn't snap some of the parts. Some of the clamps I used were a little bit too high sprung. Springs were a bit too hard. So obviously we're leaving impressions in the wood. But managed to get through it okay. And also started fitting the whales, which is good. It really starts to make the ship show some detail, but it's also quite tricky. And also obviously I had to have 2 attempts at it, because obviously the first time I did it I wasn't happy with it, and it just wasn't quite lined up right, so I kind of pulled them all off before the glue had fully dried and I started again. And on the second attempt I was a lot more happy with them. Positions looked a lot better around the gun ports. That's a good thing about obviously when you're building these, before the glue's 100% dry, which is after 24 hours, you can normally pull things off and rework them if you're not happy with them. So that's really it for this video. Obviously next week I'm going to be starting doing all obviously fitting all the decks, which will be nice. Start working on some of the interior of the ship. We'll see how it starts to progress. It's been a good month in there. In March I managed to go from issue 24 right up to 44, so it was good.